everybody. Today I'm gonna start getting my gammon ready. Gammon is a popular meat the British people used to celebrate Christmas. You know, they eat it on a Boxing Day as a cold meat. They slice it on chips and whatever is left on a Christmas day. It's part of the celebration. It's called gammon. Without this gammon, your Christmas in the United Kingdom, Wales, South Wales, Northern Ireland, Scotland is not complete. It's a part of pork meat, but we call it gammon. So when you go to the shop, you ask the shop staff, you want to get a good gammon, they will give you this gammon. So this gammon cost us like 8 quid, yeah, from the butcher. So gammon is being preserved with a lot of salt. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm going to dip it first in the boiling water to boil, then tip it out, then tip it like twice, leave it there for the salt to to be flushed out before I start putting in my celery, fresh thyme, onions, garlic, ginger, and then leek and carrot to boil it, to give it that flavor before I roast it in the oven. You will see the process, okay guys? So I'm gonna dip it in here in the hot water to boil. Leave it there to remove the salt because it's very salty. Gammon is very, very salty. Very, very salty. Like for example, if you want to cook a certain stockfish, you want to cook ackee and saltfish. That saltfish they call saltfish is very, very salty. You need to soak it overnight for the next day cooking. That is how gammon is. It's very, very salty. So it's gonna be there. Boil. Now I've changed the water. This is another second water. Second time boiling it. Okay? Ooh. The steam. So this second time now I'm boiling it. That water, first boiling it, changing the water maybe twice. Get rid of that salt. Okay? You can as well boil gammon with beer. With a very good beer, but I'm not using beer. So these are what I'm using to boil to cook my gammon, just to give it a taste. Okay? Like I told you before, onion, celery stick is there, garlic, carrots, okay? So we're gonna cook. Then when it is cooked, then you will see the next process. That is when I will take it out, remove this nets, this wire gauze they put in there, and remove the skin and leave the fat on so that will help me to stick in the cloves. Okay guys, so right now, I'll leave it now to start boiling. Okay? So I'm gonna put my coriander seed in there. My coriander seed will go in there. Okay, that will give it the flavor. By the time we roast it in my air fryer or in the oven, that will bring out the the taste. You will enjoy it. So I'm gonna put in my bay leaves. My bay leaves will go in there. I'll put in my bay leaves to go in there. My bay leaves will go in there. Just one will do. The gammon is just for only 2 of us, two people here in the house, okay? Cinnamon will go in there. You can put cinnamon powder or you can put the stick. I got the stick, so this is the stick, cinnamon stick. So I'll just break some in there. You can grate it, you can break it in if you want. Okay? So I will cover it to cook. I'm gonna give it a stir and leave it to cook properly. I'm going to cover it. The gammon is cooked now, guys. Without gammon, Christmas is not complete, you know. You can do gammon salad, gammon cheese and chips, you know. Gammon sandwich with this all through the Christmas festive. This is what we use. You can eat it with salad. You can eat it with gently take out this one out. It's cooked, well cooked. Yeah, so you remove the skin. Gently remove the skin. Peel off the skin out, take off the skin. Yeah, this skin you can make pork crackers, you know. It's like pomo. We call this pomo in Nigeria, pig pomo. Okay, that is it now. So what we're gonna do here, you gently, softly slice, go in deep, you know, like a pineapple cutting. Okay, guys, like a pineapple cutting. So you can put in your clove. Your cloves can go in there. Okay. It's all done. So you can now start putting in the cloves in there before you now put in your glazing in to roast it. Okay, you begin to put these cloves. These cloves give it a, you know, a nice flavor. Okay, I will show you when I'm done. Guys, my pork has been dressed with cloves on top of the fat. You just shook it in. These cloves, it's like Oda. It's like Oda and you know, like our native natural herbs that we use to cook pepper soup. That is how this cloves is. You can even use this clove to put in your pepper soup. I could use it to cook my stew, my pepper soup, anything I cook, I use cloves. It's very pepperish, like Oda, like Uziza, like, oh, I don't know, banging on different spices, you know. So I've made them now with, you know, decorated there. So I need to do the glazing now that will give it that color of Christmas. Doing the glaze, people put different things to make their own glazing. You can use demolori sugar, you can use white sugar. So now I'm gonna be putting in my brown sugar, goes in there. Okay, brown sugar goes in there. My fortified wine goes in there. Ooh, it's all cooking. My vinegar goes in there. Okay. Then I'm still gonna add honey though. My honey will goes in there. My mustard will goes in there. I like mustard. Give it that kick. You know. I'll put in my mustard. Get this little spoon to put in my mustard. So you put whatever you feel, you know, that will give you that nice glazing to glaze your gammon, you know. Let it go, let it boil, simmer. The more it cooks, the more it go darker, then darker and brownish. That will be the best for your glazing. So that is my glazing. Okay, guys. Can you see it's boiling away? Look, boiling away. My glazing is ready. So I'm gonna tip it. Just let it, you know, flow, run down. That is the right word. Run down on my gammon before I put it in the oven. Can you see the color? Look at the color. Look at the color, guys. Look at the color. It's gonna be beautiful, guys. My roasted gammon. Look at that, guys. Look at that glazing. Look. My roasted gammon. Look at that, guys. Look at that glazing. Look.